G'day all you beautiful people of planet Earth, and welcome to episode 12 of Planet Positivity. Strangely enough, this particular destination seems to be one that few people that I've known go to. I don't understand why. It's pretty famous and for a bunch of cool reasons. First of all, it's the playpen for the rich and famous. Like the millionaires and billionaires of the world come here for fun. Second of all, famous for the casino, the Monte Carlo. And thirdly, because the Grand Prix is held there. It's the second smallest country in the world. And when the Grand Prix is held there, the country turns into a racetrack. There's a million reasons why you should be going to Monaco.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and the love's in your mind and the love's in your head. And escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Thank you to the 1,000 people who have subscribed, and if you haven't, jump on it now. Come and join the movement of positivity around the planet, looking at the beauty of humanity, of Earth, and all the amazing things we get to see and do. There's actually a lot more to Monaco than meets the eye. The beauty of going to Monaco is that it's so small, you can take care of pretty much everywhere you want to see and every place you want to be in a day. And it's too expensive to stay there for the night. But you can easily knock it off in a day or an afternoon or in 5 hours of a night like we did. So Monaco borders Italy and France. So when we were staying in Nice, it was less than a 30-minute drive for us to get there. And it was a beautiful scenic drive. And we stopped over at this amazing lookout looking over Nice, took a bunch of photos together and then headed on into Monaco. When we got there, we went for a walking tour and it didn't take long to be able to see this place. It's about 2 kilometers or 200 hectares in size. Very small, but very beautiful. And walking through the streets, it looked like a movie set. It was so clean and so beautiful, it looked almost fake. So you can imagine the minute we were set free, most people made a beeline for the Monte Carlo casino to try their luck at gambling. They saw some fancy cars, a lot of beautiful people. A couple of people were gambling, went to eat there. They were saying it was quite expensive. Funnily enough, I don't think a single person won anything gambling at the Monte Carlo, but what a souvenir and a memory to take to lose money at one of the most famous casinos in all of the world. Myself, I tend to gamble enough with the risks I take while I travel. So a few girlfriends and I decided to do something a little bit differently and live for a moment, just a minute, like we are the rich and famous people of Monaco. We went and had a beautiful dinner on the beach, watched the sunset, shared a bottle or two of wine, and just chilled. We all ordered mussels, shared a bottle of wine, talked and laughed, watched the sunset, made good friends with the waiter, and he liked us so much. At the end of our meal, he shouted us a limoncello. It was almost like a dream moment just to be there, feel the awesome vibes of this place, watch all the people playing at the beach, look at all the boats and the yachts, eat a delicious meal, hang out with amazing people, and immerse ourselves in Monaco. 5 hours was not enough time to do this place justice. We got to immerse ourselves in Monaco, feel the vibes of the leisure and the lifestyle, but we barely got to scratch the surface. So it's definitely on my list of places to go back to, and fingers crossed one day I can actually afford to stay there. Thank you Monaco. Thank you for taking us somewhere where most people don't go. Thank you for showing us how the rich and famous people of the world like to live and play. Thank you for showing us what it's like to step into a movie scene, a place that's famous for money, for fun, for gambling. There's just so much to love about Monaco. Well, that's it for me this time round. Short and sweet this episode. I'll see you soon. Bye, beautiful people.